Threat level raised for cops after fatal shooting of reputed gang member. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF says the threat level against its members has increased following the fatal shooting of Shockwell Parnell, otherwise called Trackstar, on Wednesday. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF says the threat level against its members has increased following Wednesday's fatal shooting of Shockwell Parnell, otherwise called Trackstar, a reputed high-ranking member of the Sevens gang. The deceased has been identified as Shockwell Parnell, otherwise called Trackstar, of Content Avenue, Kingston 10. Parnell was a person of interest in relation to a quadruple murder on Asia Avenue, Kingston 10 on November 25, 2024. As well as other incidents that are currently under investigation, the police indicated in a release. The Sevens gang, which operates in sections of Walton Park Road area of St. Andrew, has issued threats of reprisal in response to Parnell's death, the police said. The police high command said that all members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force are being urged to exercise extreme vigilance, particularly within the corporate area, and act in a lawful manner to protect themselves. The JCF said that criminals are also being reminded to surrender peacefully when they are confronted by the police. The force said that it remains steadfast in dedication to maintaining law and order, and it will continue to pursue those who are involved in criminal activities. The release said that members of the public are urged to share information on criminal activities by calling anonymously through CrimeStop at 311, the National Intelligence Bureau at 811, the police emergency number at 911, or the nearest police station. During the publication of this report, Links 007 TV News has been reliably informed that another member of the Seven gang has been killed. The police have killed another member of the Seven gang in Red Hill, St. Andrew. The deceased has been identified as 24-year-old Kirk Holton, otherwise called Sugar, from Walton Park Road in St. Andrew. He was reportedly shot during a confrontation with lawmen on Thursday morning. According to the police, an illegal firearm was seized. A .38 revolver with 5 live rounds was taken from the deceased. Holton is the second person to be killed from the gang in a matter of 2 days. On Wednesday the 23rd, Shockwell Trackstar Parnell from Crescent Avenue was shot during a confrontation in his community. A 9mm pistol with 3 rounds of 9mm cartridges were seized in that incident, the police reported. Parnell is said to be the second in command of the Sevens gang, which operates from sections of Bay Farm Road, 75 Lane, 77 Lane, Campbell Boulevard, and Norwich and Content Avenues. According to the police, an illegal firearm was seized. A .38 revolver with 5 live rounds was taken from the deceased. Holton is the second person to be killed from the gang in a matter of 2 days. On Wednesday the 23rd, Shockwell Trackstar Parnell from Crescent Avenue was shot during a confrontation in his community. A 9mm pistol with 3 rounds of 9mm cartridge was seized in that incident, the police reported. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.